Macy's Theater for Mickey's premiere. This gala is sure to be the talk of the town as every star in Hollywood has gathered to see Mickey's latest sensational picture. Just hear those people cheer. And look, there he is, the star himself, Mickey Mouse. And there's his sweetheart, Minnie Mouse. Aren't the two of them just the cat's meow? Just don't tell Pluto. Let's take a look inside the theater.
Tonight is about family.
Okana means family. We may have our differences, but nothing's more important than family.
Behold the Underminer!
Honey, where's my super suit?
Showtime.
Girls, come on. Leave the saving the world to the men? I don't think so.
Stop it in the wall!
I'm ready to meet it, read it, and defeat it.
But they say if you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true.
What have we here? It's a sparkly, shiny... Oh, it's a human! Surprising me. I've got 24 hours to get rid of this bozo, and you are wearing his merchandise!
Why do we even have that memo?
Song?
I'm already happy. Got the coolest friend in the world. Shit, I don't think we're in Liverpool anymore.
We most certainly are not, friendo. We are in the internet.
She sent me you.
I only hope that we never lose sight of one thing. It was all started by a mouse.
Gee, thanks everybody! It sure has been a whole lot of fun, but trust me, it's It's only the beginning. See you real soon.
Ayo.